In primetime news this evening, Operation Introspection, JDF investigating more of its own in St. Elizabeth ganja bust. Crime and COVID, coronavirus curfew useless against criminals. And later, No Country Road, controversy mars burial of reggae icon Toots Hibbert.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think are the reasons for roads being damaged following rains over the last few weeks?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. The Primetime News returns right after this break.